Remains with sekaseke. Right, we'll continue with November 2014, question number 2. Right, so question number 2 requires you to solve 2 over x minus 1 over 4 is equals to 3 over 5x. So when you are solving, these are equations of fractions. Equations of fractions, you have to multiply every term by the common denominator. So common denominator is the lowest common multiple of the denominators. So here we have algebraic denominators. So to find the lowest common multiple of the algebraic expressions, you look on the numbers first, right? The lowest common multiple of 4 and 5, right, is 20. Then on the laters, we take one with the highest power, of which we only have x. So it's 20x times 2 over x minus 20x 1 over 4 is equals to 20x times 3 over 5x. Then we multiply. But when you're multiplying, the denominators divide the numerators, right? So x into x get 1, then times 20 is 20. 20 times 2 is 40. 4 into 20, that's 5, times x is 5x times 1, then 5x. 5 into 20 is 4, x into x is 1, then it will be 12. Then we collect like terms. 40 minus 12. Then we'll take our 5x across the equal sign. Then it will be 5x. Then 40 minus 12 is 28. Then it goes to 5x. Then we divide by 5. We divide by 5. So our x is equals to 5 into 28 is 5. Remainder 3 over 5. So we should note that our answers should be left in their exact form. More like you should leave your answer as a proper fraction, reduce the lowest term, or as a mixed fraction, not as a proper fraction. Right, so we are moving on to question number B, item 1. Question number B, item 1. B item 1, 7x cubed minus 28x. So we factorize. When you're factorizing, the first thing is you have to look and confirm that do you have a highest common factor. That's our first step. But here we have highest common factor, which is 7. 7 can divide into 7x cubed and also into 8x, right? So our highest common factor is 7. Then on the laters, highest common factor, if the letter appears in both or the given items, right, you take one letter with the lowest power, of which one term with the lowest power is x, right? So we divide 7 into 7, that's 1. 7 into x, we subtract powers, then it will be x squared, because x is x to the power 1, minus 7 into 28, that's 4. X and x cancel each other, then it will be like this. Then it will be 7x, then this one is the difference of 2 squares, because it's x squared minus 2 squared. 4 is 2 squared, so it's x minus 2, then x plus 2. That's our answer for question number B item 1. So we are moving on to B item number 2. Right, B item number 2. Item number 2 is y squared minus 5y plus 2. Then this one is a quadratic expression, right? You multiply the coefficient, because we said our quadratic expression is in the form y is supposed to be x plus c. So you multiply the coefficient of x squared and the c. So if you multiply 3 times 2, you get what? You get 6. Right. So you look for the factors of 6, right, which gives us 5 by adding, because our 6 is positive. So the factors should give us the middle number by adding, because we are having a positive answer or a positive product here. So factors of 6, which gives us 5 by adding, it's 3 and 2, right? 3 and 2. If we add these two numbers, it gives us 5, but we also have to consider our 5 is negative, so it means it will be minus 3 and minus 2. So we have 3y squared minus 3y minus 2y plus 2. So we are now factorizing by grouping terms in pairs, these 2 and these 2. So we factor out 3y here, we left with y minus 1 minus 2, then we left with y minus 1, then 3y minus 2, then y minus 1. So this is our answer on item number B, item 2. So we are moving on to question number C. On question number C, it requires us to express as a single fraction. So right, so question number C, so you have to be able to differentiate between an algebraic fraction and the equation of fractions. So sometimes we confuse these two. Okay, let me work out question number C. So express as a single fraction, so it's x plus 2 over 2x minus 3 minus 1 over x. So first of all, find the lowest common multiple. But this time, the lowest common multiple, we are not multiplying each and every term by the lowest common multiple. No, we are dealing with this in the same way we deal with addition and subtraction of fractions. So the lowest common multiple, we put it over here. That's for these two expressions, you multiply the 2. So if you divide this into this and this cancel each other, then you're left with x. Then it will be x plus 2 minus, then we have 1, this into this, x and x cancel each other, then we're left with 2x minus 3, right? So they want, meaning your examiners, they want to confirm that do you understand how to deal with this negative up here, right? So let me break this bracket. X times x, that's x squared, x times this one, that's plus 2x, then it's minus 2x, then minus 1 times minus 3, that's plus 3. Most of people confuse, and also they don't use this negative sign. So 2x minus 3. So here we have 2x minus 2x, that's 0. Then we have x squared plus 3. Then over x, then 2x minus 3. That's our answer. That's our final answer. So this is our question number 2 on 2014 November paper 2. Right, so I'm uploading this question, then I'll do also number 3, then I'll upload number 3 and so on.